Hello guys, I'm Jordan and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be painting watercolors with snow.
A little bit better care of yourself. It's worth it.
But with that, I went outside and got clean snow, bowl full of it, and it's actually melting because it took me a while to set this up. But we're going to be painting watercolors. Now I'm an artist, but I paint with acrylics or oil paint. I've never really painted with watercolors, watercolors correctly. Now I'll be trying. I watched a couple YouTube videos of people. I found one pretty good person that this is how I wanted to paint. And this is this one. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, I'm painting a rose, so, these are dry roses I have. So I'm gonna kind of look at these and do it. They're dried, so they're smaller, but you know, you get the picture. First, colors. Now can you guys see this? I'm gonna do the darker rose one, so I probably need purple. Let's put some on the palette. I'm not gonna do that much because the whole point of this is to make it watercolored. Like that much I'm gonna do for now. So I watched like a bunch of tutorials and half of them said draw it first, but I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is take snow, put it in my hand, and put it on there. So after this, I'm just gonna have it break up into like little pieces and mix it around. I'm gonna get my mixer. I'm gonna get this and mix it with the pen. This Prussian blue, because that's the only blue I have. Oh, this has never been opened. Got it. Prussian blue, a little drip like that. Boom. Now I'm trying to get this pinkish, reddish, purple with these colors right here. So since I got a color I like, I'm gonna dip my paintbrush in and just like do that. And then I'm just gonna go around like a rose would be. And then I'm just gonna go into the middle part. And just make where I think the rose should be. I'm gonna take my smaller brush for this. I actually need a smaller brush. Got one. So this is it so far. I'm gonna add leaves and stems. Probably be done, and all these drips will be gone as well. I'm gonna make them leave. Yeah, let's get back to it. But I don't want it to be super dark green. I want it to be like light green. So I'm gonna mix green and yellow together. So, it's probably too much snow, but that's good right there. How much snow I'm gonna put in. Then I'm gonna put
like it. I like it like that. So let's start with the bottom ones. No, top ones. So this is a two-stick brush. Let's use the same brush we used with this. Okay. These stems are getting a lot more color than I wanted because they're just. That flower's crying now. Okay. I'll make these a bit thicker with this. Not thicker. Lighter. Darker. It's darker. Not lighter. No, stop. Okay, better. Probably won't leak this time. Okay, so back to talking about the snow. It's been snowing a lot. And after it snows for a good week, you kind of get bored of what is happening outside. So every time it snows, you're like, oh, it's snowing again, yay. So by the first time of the week, oh my goodness. This is what happens because they follow the lines. First time it snows, you're like, yay, it's snowing. Second time it snows, you're like, yay, it's snowing again. Third time it snows, you're like, oh, it's snowing. By the fourth day it snows, and there's already about 2 feet on the ground. And I live somewhere where it doesn't really snow, it only snows like once a year. We usually get like 2 inches. It's very, terrible. What in the world's happening here? Let me fix it. It's kind of bad of the snow to stay this long. I'm telling you the honest truth because here's the reason. I love the snow. I love winter. Probably will always be one of my favorite seasons. But I can't go anywhere because all the snow. It's too snowy, which sounds great being stuck at home. It was for the first half of the week, but now at the next half of the week where it's boring to be home all the time, and you can't go outside because every part of your body hurts because it's been snowing for a week and you've been stepping in ginormous snows and falling off things because it's slippery outside. I'm trying my hardest not to make this look like a train wreck, but it is. I shouldn't have done that, that's for sure. Yeah, this is becoming to be the greatest painting ever. What I'm gonna do is take this one and brush this lovely green down here. Just to make it a little bit less new looking. So, I'm gonna try this. Snowball, snow. Works. It's a test. It works, guys. And with the snow,
I don't know if I made this pretty or not, so this is gonna be good. So I think I'm done with the painting, and I would say I'm okay with it. My first ever real painting with snow and with watercolors. It looks pretty good for a beginner painter with those products. My finished product, painting with snow. I think the flowers look pretty good. Like this one especially, but this, I added green randomly just to make it a little bit more rustic, not rustic, antique-y looking, but I like it. I think I'm gonna hang it up on my wall beside my bed. And then this is all my end product. I have the watercolors and I have a bunch of snow left. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Yeah, and if you try painting with snow, please tell me and see if it goes better than what mine is. The snow wasn't the issue. It's probably me not ever knowing how to paint with watercolors. But yeah, I really like how it turned out. I just wish like it didn't drip all over the place. But the snow did perfectly. I think it was less messy than it would be if it was watercolors, because watercolors is like liquid and snow isn't. So yes, Jordan, that's what snow is. But so snow is like solid. So it's easier to like get some on your paintbrush without making a mess by that. I'm dripping snow.
A little bit better care of yourself.